Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video this evening. We've got a tough old bit of earwax in this one. It's basically very dried, it's polished in the center. I think this is probably a bit of Q-tip use in here as well. So what we're going to do first of all is we need to loosen this wax off the ear canal wall. If you go straight in with a Jobson horn here, to be able to get behind that wax, you're going to be really pushing very close to the canal wall, which is going to be really painful. You've got to remember these canal walls are really thin as far as the skin is almost lying directly on top of bone. So very prone to sort of scratching and bleeding in here. So if you go pushing a Jobson horn straight over the top of that, we don't know what we're pushing into behind it. It's going to scratch against the skin. It's going to be quite uncomfortable for the patient. So what we're going to do first was use this standard Zollner tube here, and I'm lifting the wax off the canal wall. So I'm just trying to create a bit of a gap and just something to get a grip on. So we're going to hopefully use some Crocodile Forceps a bit later on just to loosen it off. So what you see me do is lift in the wax. Now you can see underneath it's attached with this bit of skin that's under there as well. So what we're going to do is get underneath, get a better grip on the skin that's further back, and then try and give it a bit of a wiggle back and forth and up and down. There you go. Just to try and loosen this away from all of the canal walls. Obviously the looser this is, the easier it's going to be to use a pair of Crocodile Forceps. And there they are. I know a lot of you like the Crocodile Forceps, so they're going in. I'm just going to grab it now. There, you can see that skin coming away, the wax is coming away. It just broke off at the end here. So I'm just going to use, now we've loosened it, just use the suction just to pull it out the rest of the way. So, okay, it's fighting me a little bit here, so we're trying to get it out. So there's obviously some skin still attached, and you can see that. See that skin here trailing all the way back down the ear canal to about 2/3 of the way down the canal. So it's obviously still attached. So we're going to go back in with the Crocodile Forceps, get a grip on the outside edge, give it a good pull. There we go, so it's detached itself now. So we're just going to go in. This is still the standard size Zollner tube at the moment. And the reason I'm using the standard here is just to get a grip on the wax. You can see that skin gets sucked into the end there. Just trying to get it away, you can't. It's loose, it's flapping around in there. So I've switched to the ENT fine end, because if you carry on using the standard size Zollner, it's just going to whistle really loudly in the patient's ear. So we're using the smaller aperture on the end here, which means you don't get as much whistling. And boom, there's the skin, it's all gone. And there's your eardrum. Looking very healthy. There's the piece we took away with the skin attached. So you can see there was a fair old lump in there, and it wasn't going to come away with that skin attached to it. So if you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe. And as always, everybody, take care.